All right, Monty here, Shadle, SPV AP Stats, and we are getting ready for the final week before spring break. So, let's look at expectations. So for AP Stats, I did not create a separate team. I just kept our overall general SPV math team. And remember that these videos that I make, you can see them in the email, you can see them on the Blackboard announcement page, but most importantly, I house them in our stream channel in the SPV math team. And what do we got? Stats. When we introduced ourselves a couple weeks ago, and then for this past week, there's the two videos. All right, so you can find those videos there. Obviously, go to the internet, and then we want to get to Clever, and then we want to get to Blackboard. Okay, now in Blackboard, under the announcements, that's where you can find, obviously, the link to Math Excel works here, and it also works here. And then I put the video here, okay, if that's helpful. Okay, all right. Now, this week, I thought we would just look at, in our actual AP Stats, boom, AP Stats, and we'll click on Homework and Tests, and then I opened everything. I didn't know how fast or slow you folks wanted to work, so I opened everything. This is the entire class. That's all we have to do. I didn't think we would open the tests because they're protected. If you're itching to do the test, I just put a password on it, and then you have to agree not to take photos and stuff like that. So if you ever want to take the actual assessment, you can. Let's see, the first week I looked at these two, and then last week I looked at these two, and I got a couple right and got a couple wrong. Today, I thought we would just look at sampling proportions and sampling means, and that was kind of cool because in this one, sample proportions, I could actually just go to random variables, module 2 sampling proportion, sampling means, and right off the bat there were two videos that helped me, and then the third question was sample distribution. So those are the videos that could be helpful if you're not sure, because when I click on question help, there's not as much help in AP Stats Math Excel as some of the other Math Excel classes. So just looking up the answer, before I hit the wrong button here. Okay, the population proportion is p hat in the general population, so we can just let's see, let's go to next question. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got it wrong. The sample proportion, p hat, is the statistic that estimates the population proportion. The sample proportion. So I did it wrong. I said population proportion. So I didn't get another one right. Okay. You're not surprised, are you? Okay. So then I clicked on the last one to see if I could do a p hat problem based on this video. And you can tell that I didn't do either one right. So again, I'm not very helpful when it comes to AP Stats, and I apologize for that. But like in this example, there is help. Okay, so you could take some notes here and work through the problem to get those answers. All right, so again, I'm not very helpful. Thanks for logging in. Thanks for doing work, and if we have to reach out, maybe Miss Smith can help us, but you let me know what I can do to help you. Have a great week. You don't have to log in and do SPV math over spring break unless that is something that you wanted to do. So have a great spring break, and we'll see you in a couple weeks. All right. Thank you, AP Stats.